So in this question we're going to go and look at working out relative atomic mass again. Right, so the question starts off, so iron is an essential part of the diet. Right, iron 2 sulfate is sometimes added to white bread, blah, blah, blah. The fact that you don't know that, it doesn't matter. Lots of questions have a little bit of waffle at the start, just to try and throw you off. That doesn't matter, it's irrelevant. So the formula of iron 2 sulfate is FeSO4. Calculate its relative formula mass. So you'd start off, so you've got FeSO4, so we've got 1 Fe, we've got 1 S, and we've got 4 oxygens. So you're going to do 1, and it even tells you in this question what the mass of the atoms are. So you're going to have 1 times 56, then you're going to add to that 1 times 32, then we're going to add to that 4 times 16. So that is how you'd go and you'd work out that relative formula mass. Right, the second part of the question says, what is the mass of 1 mole of iron sulfate? Right, remember that a mass of 1 mole of something is basically its relative formula mass in grams. So if, for instance, you worked out something to have a relevant formula mass of 150, 1 mole of that would be 150 grams. Right? So remember, 1 mole of something is basically its relative formula mass or its relative atomic mass in grams. Right, finally, what mass of iron 2 sulfate would you need to provide 28 grams of iron? So, if you were going and you've worked out that mass, if you're looking for it providing 28 grams of that, you just go and work out how many moles of iron that would be. So if you've got 28 grams of iron, so remember 28 divided by 56 would be how many moles of iron you've got. And then, once you've worked out how many moles of iron you've got, all you're going to do is times what you've worked out as 1 mole of iron sulfate in that by the number of moles. So you're just timesing that by 28 divided by 56, which is how you'd work that bit out.